Oh baby boy, some man is shit. I want more of you and me. Baby boy, some man is shit. I want more of you and me. Now, babe, I'm seeing something between us so far. Beat it up, I get inside. I beat it up so nice. Maybe the Hennessy got me feeling crazy. I may need this daily, baby. Pour some medicine. I want more of you and me, baby. Pour some medicine. I want more of you and me. Oh baby boy, some man is shit. I want more of you and me. Baby boy, some man is shit. I want more of you and me.
We are here in studio with Ureva, one of the upcoming artists, rap artists up from HMS Skhuluma. We are interviewing him about a song.
Yeah, Hennessy.
And what is Hennessy about?
Hennessy, it's about me and the love interest.
Alright, okay. Okay.
And having sexual relations.
Ay, Ureva. Okay. No, I hear you. So you got game.
Yeah.
Oh, you're the type that is game. No, I hear you. That's a good thing. So, is there a specific encounter because Hennessy is sexual relations?
Yeah. We call a special someone as serious someone now. My relations are fun.
Drinking, sipping on some Hennessy.
Yeah. So inspiration is one get lowest for us. So she had this courtesy down there. Yeah,
she did good.
Yeah, she did good. Perfect.
Okay, I hear you. Alright, so you're still a guy. You still like you're still a guy. Okay. Now, because listening to the song, I could also take a good see the genre of music. Is it like this, or it changes, or the question should be what is your genre? Because I can tell what you rap, but your beats are very laid low. So, minamang wala lang, wanna a low, a laid back, you know. But when I'm also saying about it, what is your genre?
My genre mainly hip hop, rap. Masaybo due to inspiration and versatility I also do hip hop, R&B, and for a little flavor, but I can express myself more and articulate and accurately. And the R&B and the sing. He loves singing.
Okay. Well, you heard it from the Oscars himself, the Slick, Mr. Slick. We should give him a new name. We'll get him Mr. Slick. He's got game, he says. So keep doing the work that you guys are doing. Siyabuka siyathokoza esilokishi niyasibeka kwelimuzinga and we trusting you ukuthi nizothatha nibeke izinga lomculo kwenye indawo. Thank you.
Up on your door, up on your door.
What? Yeah. Jack. Zwana. Yeah. Hey. Sazogwala we. I'm still, yeah. Check this, yo. What's up, boy? Yeah. Rev. Sangan. Check.
Mbafihlela induku emqubeni. That's just how it is. They surprised when they see it. Groups standing out semkunyeni. Going against the odds. It's kukumala fast. Life elokshini got me fantasizing better. The sky is the limit, so papele moyeni prove they'll always wanna hear it. I'm always writing classics. One is in session every day that I'm breathing. A better vision of me, that's what I'm always seeking. It's a process. Got I'm into athletes. Mfuna ukushaya hundreds, meant I need it for the progress. Been stationary for a while, it's difficult to want a movement any longer when you broke, so shit hits different. That's why I want my cake up. I take it from the strangers who rev a record breaker. Wear like a makeup. If I foundation, the one that makes profits. Ujelom rap ukuthi crown in a local lila. It's my animal instincts, I'm cannibalistic. If you blink, you might miss it. Mandela out of prison, was it real? I say you mama knew the truth. Of death of a nation is Western colonization, what a shame. I got winkunzi sematoleni nasiboneni walimelekisa sibale dolweni. I'll always strive for greatness, ngize nami ngene ethuneni. As simple as that, ispanas reflecteke emholweni.
Up on your door. Up on your door.
Reporting live from a hammer.
What?
Check.
Yeah. Uthi nginiqalele phansi ngishaya ivosho nami ngicosha izoso ngizwile kuthiwa imini ovusa umkhondo njobe ibhifu unyosa angibange inyoso ngipresent istradi selokishi khona thukhona ipolishi yazi kwelami ilokishi ileze ephathigoni mase kushuba ioli sikumoya kwempathe efuna ukufoniswa negazi bayakufikisa nempatha bayayifikisa amacheri asangakudidisa uzojabula uthi ukheshile uzovika sebekushayile elight zwana nama outi basopa baraf ngoba bazokhothisa idusty skima nama-hrot man kuzinqondo ibe bright awungitsheli lokho ubokoloza mabekudidisa urepresent istrati uvusa ikhanda mabekusolisa ungashawa ngemfiphindiwe kumele unyuse amasokisi ucopho busabalale ngale nkathi ufunda ilokishi ukhohlwe amaphutha okwenzekile akukhulisi ungakhohlwa umngena lokishi inhloniphi ibe phambili inkantina nepolish usuzokhanyisa esi-outini. Let me tell you about the OGs, they never get so lonely, they always with them homies. Ileze ibuwe ekuseni igcwala istrati ibuye seyiholile mawuzwa kusho iflake obhasupa khona ofikile khona to khona ikhona ezakhona ezisuke ikuthile lindo zobhayiza mase imanzi mfake lokishini.
Up on your door. Up on your door.
Rebecca Studio again with Ureva. I'm curious though before we go forth. Igama elithi Reva lichaza
Igama elithi Reva was originally for the Putum Umdal.
Okay.
Outside my late big brother.
Okay.
So I took that and ngayifaka nami ngayimeshanisa nami kuba vele ngumfundisi esikoleni ngumfundisi nange-rap and ngipreach iBhayibheli.
What does that mean? I'm curious about umfundisi rap.
Umfundisi ku-rap ngoba ngipreach iBhayibheli laselokishini.
Okay.
iBhayibheli eligcwele iy'ntori zethu ububrokhen bethu nanokuphila elokishini.
Okay.
Yeah, so umfundisi okulethela life iy'ndaba zaselokishini.
Okay, that's another way to look at the umfundisi. Okay. Now I'm also interested. There's a line that you say that I've heard this spoken about a lot of times. So it's a conversation that's been spoken about a lot. I'm a 2000 or a bit older maybe. Coming in another place, so they're asking questions. So putting a question now we are showing Mandela being out of prison wasn't real. What did you mean? Is that something that now we're in the or you just wrote to us?
The Mandela being out of prison question if you blink you might miss something happening just right in front of us. Sinai, I'm a politician, now I'm in the system of corrupt, and if you blink you might miss what happens next. So this Mandela out of prison, was it real or we just blinked and then it happened right in front of us? They swapped or he died or something. We do not know what really happened.
I like the way that these days the rap game is changing, you know. You young rappers are coming up with something, you are asking questions, you are also challenging us. It's not only just about fun and rapping. I'm very happy about the rap game, HMS Skhuluma. I'm very proud of you. We're actually doing well. So what is the name of your song?
It's a day later.
Why a day later?
It's a day later because I was just in a group rapping, writing rhymes.
Yeah.
And me and no God, me and no mean. Now it's in the blink of an eye. It's a day later, and then I'm old now. It's just happy. So I'm referring to that part to go to it's a day later, it's after all the childhood stuff now.
Kunomunye engimzwayo la who is featured la unobala ngoba ngathi uhamba wena.
Ngine artist la Paul.
Okay.
Igama lakho King Art.
Okay.
Alright. It's my homeboy you put.
Wakhona la eMpumalanga.
Yeah, wala eMpumalanga dope rapper. So King Art.
No, he's dope. You know, my lyrics are very important in the single ladies. And lyrically, I can hear you guys are storytelling. You're speaking of some things that are inside your heart, personal things. You can tell, we can hear Mama's news on your life, which is a very good thing. Right, Reverend Siamanga Kulu. It's been one of a productive interview. It's been a pleasure having you in studio today. Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure.
Yes.
How sweet is my baby, baby, baby. You will always be my baby, baby, baby. Sithandwa sami semnyaka sengikhumbula zokulinda uzubuye njengebutho libuye empini. You my baby, ngikuthanda mase ungibiza ngoba I'm too spicy and these girls can never handle me. We locked to this thing, mase sivalelana endlini. I'm never switched off, always on way yakhe seconds. I love your Karen, I'm never shocked, a good conductor. Operate your doors, ngibona umzimba wakho udonsa. Oh yeah, sithokoze sithandwa sami. Awu ngoba mina nawe awusesiqeda iminyaka, baby sesiqeda iminyaka. Mina nawe awusesiqeda iminyaka, baby sesiqeda iminyaka. Awu sweet my baby, baby, baby. uzohlala unguma baby, baby, baby. Oh sweetie my baby, baby, baby. You will always be my baby, baby, baby. Oh sweet mama.
Silolu hlobo lama-Afrika. Nobody can top up your highest climax standards sami lo angiphiki umthena ona kula skick ntombazana ungaraza kabi yabo mawugqoka isikhindi engangisifice kubasket ngizwa ama-chills and spills mase kwi-romance you know that anginakhona morning after ngakunikeza ama-pills imihla nemihla zonke iy'nsuku ngihlale ngicabanga kwimihla nezinye iy'nsuku dali besixabana ukuthanda umuntu kanye ney'nkinga zakho ukuthanda umuntu ngakhipha emzini sengisho esenekwakhe ngikhumbula senza kakhulu qala ukujola ngikulinda esaluni izinto zazenzekela kalula sesiluze i-communication esengithola i-complication even i-phone call engithola the slightest hesitation.
Oh sweetie my baby, baby, baby. Uzohlala unguma baby, baby, baby. Oh sweetie my baby, baby, baby. You will always be my baby, baby, baby. Oh sweetie mama.